ndabasuhuje mwese mudukunda kandi mugakurikira ibyo dukora. Iyi ni Intare TV show, naho njye ni Ben Nelson nk'ibisanzwe. Ikaze mu makuru yacu. Turababwira ko Kaminuza ya Africa Leadership University yahaye igihembo perezida Kagame kubera imiyoborere myiza. Ubuyobozi bwa Kaminuza mpuzamahanga ya Africa Leadership University bwageneye perezida Paul Kagame igihembo kubera imiyoborere myiza ishyira imbere ibijyanye no gufasha ndetse no gushyigikira ba rwiyemezamirimo. Ni igihembo yashyikirijwe kuri uyu wa gatanu tariki 7 Kamena 2024 umuhango wo gushyikiriza impamyabumenyi abanyeshuri barenga 400 barangije amasomo yabo muri iyi kaminuza. Perezida Kagame yari yitabiriye umushyitsi mukuru. Fred Swanika yavuze ko uretse gutanga impamyabumenyi ku banyeshuri hari n'igihembo cy'icyubahiro bageneye perezida Kagame kubera imiyoborere ye myiza. Ati iki gihembo cy'icyubahiro mu bijyanye no kuba intangarugero mu miyoborere ishyira imbere ba rwiyemezamirimo gihawe nyakubahwa perezida Paul Kagame, perezida w'u Rwanda.
Excellency, I mentioned before that we wish you had graduated from ALU. But it is not too late for us to at least recognize you with an award from this university. So if you wouldn't mind joining us here at the podium, together with Dr. Ntlantla Chwala, our Vice Chancellor. The first thing we'd like to do is award you with a sash. No? Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to read your award that you're getting, Your Excellency. This honorary award of merit in exemplary entrepreneurial leadership is presented to His Excellency, Paul Kagame, the President of Rwanda. Today, it is with great pride that we pay homage to an exceptional human being whose extraordinary efforts and achievements are the epitome of what we aspire to instill in our students as entrepreneurial leaders. Your Excellency, in your many leadership roles, in particular as the President of the Republic of Rwanda, you have demonstrated ALU's ideal for leadership, ethical, entrepreneurial, and a catalyst for positive change. Your initiatives show long-lasting, innovative solutions, and most importantly, minded for the benefit of all. In your work to address our greatest challenges, your Vision 2020 and Vision 2050 initiatives have driven economic development and transitioned Rwanda from a predominantly agricultural economy to a knowledge-based economy, innovatively using technology for improvement. You strive for an ethical society and a more transparent and efficient government. You made personal safety a priority, knowing that this will bring positive progress to society. Your vision is that all of Rwanda, even in the most remote areas, has access to services, good infrastructure, roads, electricity, connectivity, and water supply. You have created a skilled and healthy workforce through enhancements in healthcare, education, and social development. You have at the same time accelerated Rwanda's global competitiveness and pushed an emphasis on science and technology, engineering, and digital literacy. You have also leveraged our greatest opportunities with environmental sustainability strategies to combat climate change, protect biodiversity, and promote green growth. You have ensured citizen participation in decision-making processes, and initiatives like Kigali Innovation City have attracted organizations like ours. You have fostered startups and provided a conducive ecosystem for entrepreneurs. Your Excellency, your leadership is characterized by a distinctive focus on values that align with ALU's own values of ownership, restless excellence, continuous learning, humility, integrity, and diversity. You strive tirelessly for efficiency and effectiveness, demonstrating by your personal actions as an example to perform for the benefit of the people. You have rebuilt and allowed us to live together with social cohesion and with a new shared identity. Innovation and pragmatic problem solving, curiosity and creativity have advanced this nation, the region, and in turn, the world. You truly embody our motto, to do hard things. So today, we celebrate you as a true reflection of the ideals we aspire to instill in our young leaders and bestow upon you this honorary award of merit for exemplary entrepreneurial leadership. And before I invite you to share your remarks with us, Your Excellency, we'd like to also, like you see many of our graduates are wearing the sash, we'd like to put this sash on you.